Hey, what's up guys? Thank you for watching another of my videos. Sorry for my messy hair. I've been working in a couple stuff today, and I just wanted to show you what I got so far. So actually I've been sewing and doing other kind of props in the sense of handmade. This is the Black Panther Civil War arm. This is the right arm. I just got this on the leg right now. I don't have much to show, and I just wanted to give you a quick look to how it looks. I'm just gonna try it on. It was a long process, guys. I really have to say, in the sense of learning how to sew and doing it and putting it together. It's a very extensive process. It's a little tighter than I was expecting it, but it's the first try that I give is a screen printed fabric. So let me try to get it on. It's very difficult when you by yourself. So I'm gonna try to get this on. So screen printed fabric. I purchased it, and they gave me the fabric instructions to how to really put it together. And after that is just a lot of reference pictures that I really have to look at and everything, but it's been amazing. I really thank the guys from Paralife Studios for the fabric. They are amazing. And this is how it looks. It's gonna be a little tighter than I wanted to, because that's how the fabric came from this kind of size, but I'm hoping that I can actually do a little makeover, so it's a little bit more loose on me. So this is the right arm for right now, guys. I don't know if you guys can see the screen print right there. Oh, so let me bring it here. I gotta finish a lot of things here though. This is just the first version, and it's just the arm. It expands with my bicep. That's the good thing. So that's a very good thing. I think just the forearm was too tight on me, but then everything else is coming along way part. I haven't really put the rubber parts where they belong, because I still gotta finish it. They go here and in other parts of the suit, and I really don't want to do that until I really have the whole suit made. And I have to use a test subject that I'm gonna call a duct tape dummy that I'm gonna make for it, so it fits perfect. Or I might even get just a whole arm from a mannequin or something. But I want to just let you guys see this. Hopefully you guys like it. Let me know what you guys think. I really hope you guys enjoy it. I'm very excited. That's the main thing, because it's Black Panther, bro. It's just, how can you not be excited? That's what I gotta say. I really love the quality of the fabric. It's very good. It's very stretchy, and it's very thick. It's not like a thin ass fabric that it just expands and rips. That's what I'm really happy when I sew it together and everything. My only mistake is that I made it a little tighter than I was supposed to. I'm gonna try to improve with a second arm, but this is very good. I might unsew it and then put it back together, but I'm really happy, guys. Thank you for watching this video, guys. I really hope you appreciate it. Have a good one, guys. Peace.